My credit score is over 800, which has saved me money by getting the lowest rate possible on our mortgage. And here are some easy and free ways I've increased my credit score that you can do too. Hey, I'm Marissa. I share about family finance and ways you can budget, save, and make more money for your family. So if that sounds like something interesting to you, subscribe so you won't miss any new videos. Having good credit is important for your financial life because it can help you get the lowest rate possible and save you money, or even allow you to rent that apartment you really want. In today's world, having good credit is important, and here are some easy and free ways you can increase your score. The first thing I've done is pay bills on time. I never want to pay a bill late. I don't want to have to pay any late fee, and this also is a huge contributing factor to your credit score. Your payment history is the biggest factor when determining your credit score, which makes up 35% of your score. But also, you might have a lot of bills to pay and you might have a busy life, and I totally get that. The easiest way to combat this is by setting up autopay. I use autopay for everything from paying our utility bills, our mortgage, paying off my credit cards in full. That way I never miss a payment, I'm not charged interest, I don't have a late fee, and I don't have a negative factor impacting my credit score. If you haven't already, look at your budget and see all of the bills that you're paying each month and go through and see if you can set up autopay for these bills so that you don't even have to worry about missing a payment. I would also recommend keeping a buffer amount in your checking account. That way you aren't going to let your bank balance dip below zero and be charged an overdraft fee. Another way to help increase your credit is by using Dovely AI. This is a free app that helps you fix, build, and protect your credit automatically. Most people see a 34-point boost for free and over 82 points with their premium version. But I love that it has so many features that you can use just for free. Dovely AI can fix credit report errors, help you build credit from scratch, or even bounce back from bad credit. And it can protect your credit 24/7 from ID theft. Their app is super easy to use, and I love that it has this dashboard that shows all the things that may be impacting my credit. And you can even see your credit score for free. Then it also has an area in the app that'll help fix the negative impacts to your credit to help increase your credit score. Using the right tool can help you to monitor your credit and give you guidance of how you can increase your score. And you can get Dovely AI for free with the link in the description down below and start helping to increase your credit today. The next thing you can do to help increase your credit score is to keep your credit utilization low. Credit utilization is the percentage of available credit that you are currently using. So let's say you have a credit card with a $10,000 balance and you have $3,000 spent on that card. Your credit utilization rate would be 30%. It's best to try and keep this rate below 30%, even better if you can get it under 10% to help increase your credit score. And a way you can do this is to pay off the balance of your card before the statement date if possible. Credit utilization is an important factor when determining your credit score, and so another way that you can help increase your credit score is by asking for a credit limit increase. Let's say your current credit card has a $10,000 limit, but you ask if it can be raised and they increase it to $15,000. Now, if you had that same balance of $3,000 on the card, before that was a 30% utilization rate with only a $10,000 balance, and now you're getting that down to a 20% utilization rate just because they increased your credit limit. So increasing your credit limit without increasing spending lowers your credit utilization ratio, which can help with your credit score. You can give your bank a call, or you can even request this online. When I've done this, it's just taken a few minutes and been very easy. The fifth thing you can do to help increase your credit score is to not close old accounts. Length of credit history matters, and if I could improve even more my credit score, it would be this. So this is going to get better as you've held on to credit accounts for longer. It's helpful to keep older accounts open if they're not costing you anything. We have a credit card that we got right when we got married as we were figuring out credit, and we don't use it anymore, but it doesn't have an annual fee, so we just keep it open because it's our oldest card. And hopefully over time, showing this credit history will help increase my score even more. And the next thing you can do is diversify your credit mix. Having a mix of installment loans and revolving credit like credit cards can help give a greater mix to your credit and help increase your score. For example, we have a mortgage and credit cards. But it's important to only take on new credit if it makes financial sense. We don't have a car loan, we didn't want to get a car loan, and while that could have been an additional mix to our credit, we didn't see the value in paying monthly interest when we were able to just pay cash for the car. So we focus on making sure our mortgage is paid on time each month with autopay, and also try to lower our credit utilization, and we strive to pay off our credit cards in full each month. Building your credit can be so valuable to help save you money and give you some additional opportunities. And while credit can feel complicated, there are some easy and free ways that you can work to increase your score. Don't forget to check out Dovely AI and their free credit building tool with the link in the description down below, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.